morning children. What we have discussed last class? Yes, we have discussed subtraction of two-digit numbers. Today again we will discuss briefly about subtraction of two-digit number. Yes, what is two-digit number, children? Tell me. What is subtraction? Tell me. Yes, means what is subtraction? Taking away. Yes or no? Yes. Yeah. What is the symbol of subtraction? Yes. What is this one? Sleeping line. Yes. This one we call it as subtraction, and also the subtraction we call it as difference. Understood, children? Subtraction or difference or left, it will come in the word problems. Yes, yeah, we call it as subtraction. Yes, subtraction of symbol, difference and left. This we will call it as, we will use the symbols for subtraction. Understood, children? Now for example, tell me two digit numbers. We'll do subtraction. Okay? Yes. First we have to write ones and tens place values. Yes? Yes. Now write 37 and 25. What we are doing here? Subtraction. What is the symbol of subtraction? Minus. Understood, children? Now do first ones place digits you have to check. Take 7 fingers. Yes. Take 7 fingers. How many we have to cut here in 7 fingers? 5. Yes. Now how many remaining, ma? 1, 2. Yes. 2 you should write directly here in ones place. Okay. Again go to tens place. Take 3 fingers. Cut 2. 1 and 2. Yes. What is remaining here? Only 1. We should write 1 in a tens place. This subtraction we call it as, tell me. Yes, very good. Without subtraction of two digit number without regrouping. Okay, children? This is without regrouping, means directly we are doing here add subtraction. Yes? Very good. One more example. Take two digit number again. Ones and tens. Yes? Now see here. 58 and 35. What is the symbol of subtraction? Minus. Yes? Again, start. Tell me. Take 8 fingers. Yes? Take 8 fingers. Cut 5 in that 8 fingers. How many remaining? 1, 2, 3. Yes? 3 I am writing here in ones place. Again go to tens place. Take 5 fingers. Take away 2 means cut 2. Cut 3. 1, 2, 3. How many remaining? 2. Should write here 2. Understood, children? Subtraction of two digit number without regrouping. Okay, children? Now next we will go to with regrouping. For example, with regrouping. One sentence you have to write place values first. Yes. Next 32, okay, minus 29. Okay, children, see here, 2 is small digit, 9 is bigger digit. Yes. Now see here, out of 2 we cannot cut 9. Yes or no? Yes. What we should do now? Yes, take borrow from tens place? Yes or no? Already we discussed in previous classes. Yes or no, children? You have to practice more and more. You will confuse always here only. Taking borrow. Yes? Now what we should do? Here I am cutting 3. What I have to write here? 2. And here I am writing 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Understood? Now see carefully. Now from 9 onwards you have to count backward up to 12. 9 after? Yes? 10, 11, 12. How many fingers you have opened here? 1, 2, 3. Yes? 3 you should write here down. Okay? Again, go to tens place. Here 2 and here also 2. Take 2 fingers. Take away 2 fingers. How many? Nothing. You should write here 0. Understood, children? Yes. One more example shall I explain? Yes? Yes. Okay? 55 minus 29. See here, ma? 5 is smaller number. Yes, 5 is smaller digit. And 9 is the greatest digit. Yes. Now, what we should do? 5 is small. We cannot cut 5 or 9 from 5. Yes or no? Yes. What we should do? Yes. Cut 5 from tens place. Write here 4 and here 1. Understood? Now again, what we should do? 9 onwards, go to backward. Okay. 9 after, count up to 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? Yes, very good. 6. Okay, children? Now here only 4 is there, here 2 is there. Now take 4 fingers, directly we can cut here. Yes? Take 4 fingers, cut 2 fingers. Remaining 2. Yes? Very good. Now tell me, children, what is this? We call it as subtraction of 2-digit number. Yes, tell me. Very good. With regrouping. You should always remember that regrouping means, with regrouping means we are taking, yes, borrows from tens place. Okay, children? Understood these 2 topics today's? Yes, very good. See here, children, we have to do next topic. See here, do subtraction and check your answer using addition. Yes, so many children nodded very well whatever I gave in the worksheet. Again I am explaining to you. See carefully, listen carefully and practice more and more. Okay, children? Now, for example, one sentence, 45 minus 25. What we have to do first? Do subtraction. Yes, first we have to do subtraction. Now see here, see the tens place digits, ma? Take 5 fingers, cut 5. How many? Nothing. 0 you should write here in ones place. Again, take 4 fingers, cut 1 and 2. Remaining 1, 2. 2 fingers are there. 2 you should write here. Yes. Next, what we should do next? Check your answer using addition. See here, how to do? Next, first we did subtraction. Yes. Next, we have to do addition. How to do addition? See here. Yes. See here. What is the answer here? Yes. What is the answer? Sorry, children. Yeah, correct only. What is the answer here? 20. Yes. Yeah, I should write here 20 as it is. Okay. Now, what we subtract here? 2, 5. 25. Next, what we have to do here? using addition symbol. Yes? Yes. What is the symbol of addition? Yes, plus. Now see here. Now what we have to do? Addition. Yes. Now take 0, keep it in your mind. Open 5 fingers. 0 after you have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should write directly 5 also here. Okay. Now again 2, keep it in your mind. Open 2 fingers. 2 after 3, 4. 4 I am writing here in tens place. Now see here children. What is the answer here? 20 and here 45. See here 20 answer I written here. What I did next? Addition. What is the answer here? 45. This 45 and this 45 both are same. You have to check like this. Understood children? Okay. Shall I explain one more example? Yeah, remember. Carefully you see the problem. 80 minus 22. First we have to do subtraction. Okay. Now see here. 0 is the smallest digit and 2 is the greatest. We can't cut. Yes or no? Now what we should do? Take tens place. Which digit is there? 8. Cut 8 and write here 7. And one more left here. You should write here in ones place 1. Okay. Now you have to count backward onwards. Okay. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes? Yes. How many fingers count once again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Should write 8 in the ones place. Okay. Again, go to tens place. 7 digits. Here 7 is there. Take 7 fingers. Cut 2 fingers. 1, 2. Now how many remaining? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 you should write here directly. Okay children. Now next, what is the next step ma? Yeah, see here 58 you should write here in top first. Okay. Now next, this number 22 you should write directly here. And next, what is the next step? We have to do addition. Yes or no? Now do addition here. 8 keep it in your mind. Open 2 fingers. 8 after 9, 10. Yes? We cannot write directly 10 in ones place. You should write only one digit in the ones place. Okay. Now next what we have to do? Take place values of this 10. Ones and tens. What is the digit in ones place? 0. Should write here 0. And 1 we should write in a tens place. Okay children? Yes? Now this is the carry. Now again take 5 keep it in your mind. Open 2 fingers. 5 after 6, 7. Yes, 7. 1 carry is there here. Yes? Now 7 after you have to count 1 more. 8. Now check your answer. This 80 is the answer and with this 58 should be this answer. See here? Understood children? How to check the subtraction with addition. Understood children? You have to practice more and more. It will come. It is easy but here too one addition subtraction is you are confusing there. That's why. Okay? You should practice more and more. Okay children? Very good. Okay children? Next we will go to word problem. Okay? See here now. Read this word problem along with me. Okay? Now, out of 56 eggs, 28 are broken. Yes? How many eggs are unbroken? I have how many eggs? 56 eggs. Yes? I have 56x with me. In that 56x, 28 are broken. Yes? Now, how many x are unbroken? Yes? Now, see here, solution will do now. Listen carefully. Yes? Now, how many x here? 56x. What we should write here? Very good. Total number of x. Yes or no? Yes. How many total number of x, children? Yes. 56. Okay. Now next. How many broken x are there? 28. Yes. What we should write here? Number of broken x. Okay, children? Number of broken x. How many? 28. Yes? Now see here. How many x are unbroken? Yes? Now what we should do now here? Yes, I have 56x with me. In that 56x, it is 28 x are broken. Yes? What we have to do here? What is the symbol? Subtraction. Yes or no? Now what we should write here? Number of x unbroken. Okay, children? Now tell me here. See here, 6 is the smallest digit. It is the greatest digit. We cannot cut 8 from 6. Yes or no? Now see here. Take. What we have to take? See here. Yes, we have to take. Borrow from tens place. Yes or no? Yes, what we should do now? Cut 5 and write here 4 and remaining 1 you should write in a ones place. Okay. Now count backward onwards. Okay, children? 8 after you have to count up to 16. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Here 16 is there. We have to count up to 16 only. Yes? Now count again these all fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 you should write here down directly in ones place. Okay? Very good. Now go to tens place. Here we can do direct subtraction. Take 4 fingers. What we have to cut? 2. 1 and 2. How many remaining? 2. 2 you should write here in tens place. Understood, children? Word problem? In previous class also we discussed. Go through carefully and practice more and more. Then only you will get yes answer. Yes or no? Shall I explain once again? Yes, see here. Out of 56x, 28 are broken. 56x are with me. Yes, in that 56x, 28 are broken. How many remaining x left? That is the solution. See here. Total number of x. How many? 56. Number of broken x. How many broken x? 28. What we have to do? Unbroken x. I have to count unbroken x. Yes or no? No. Number of x unbroken. What we have to do here? Subtraction. Understood? Yes. Very good. Practice more and more and then you will get answers. Okay, children? Bye, Nana. Bye.